blessing in disguise kasi meron kaming event sa Leeds. So we're gonna ride the train from Newcastle. We went from Sunderland, Newcastle, and then finally we're gonna ride the train going to Leeds. It will take us like 2 hours going there. So we're here at York Station and 30 minutes na lang nasa Leeds na kami. Home along the Riles. Home along the Riles. Ito si Dolphy, oh. Ay, si Redford White pala to. Ito pala si Dolphy. Sino to? Si Babalu. Si Redford White. Guys, 7 PM na dito. Sobrang liwanag pa rin. In the Philippines, power, corruption, and light. This is the oldest pub here. Oldest, oy, picture tayo dito, love.
Oldest is 1715.
O, pa-picture kami, boy. Hi.
1715. White Lux Ale House.
Behind the
Purchase natin. Thank you, United Kingdom. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, United Kingdom.
Sinuportahan namin si JC Intal mag-art gallery exhibit. So, ikot-ikot kami dito para makita ang mga vintage paintings and gallery here sa Leeds. Actually, mahilig din talaga si Rico mag-drawing kasi yung datay niya painting talaga dati sa Austria. Love, alam mo kung ano ka? Tama tanga.
Aray ko.
Diba? Gunner, nakaganti na rin ako sa iyo, charas. This is their palengke. Welcome to their palengke. Oo nga, ang daming choices. Welcome to their palengke. This is their palengke. Oh my gosh, makarel. Makarel tayo, love. Ayun. Daming choices. Fish and chips. Seafoods. Yummy mackerel, fish and chips. Syempre, fried rice, fish and chips, and my food. Welcome to Royal Armories. Wow. Wow. Ayan, oh. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. Baka mahulog yung mga armas. Wow. Astig. Parang panahon pa ni Jesus to, before Jesus Christ pa. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. Oh, Southeast Asia tayo to. Sa atin to, guys. Sa atin galing to. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan exactly. Southeast Asia na mga armor. Oh, may balisong, oh. May balisong. Sure. Ito yung mga armor ng Philippines. So, ang sabi dito, the armor developed by Moro people of the Philippines is unique. It is of mail and plate construction, the plates being of horn, the mail of brass, a style clearly influenced by the armor of the medieval Islamic world. Ah! Sa Muslim pala. The helmets were also constructed from horn and brass but in the style of European Bourgonets of the 16th century influenced by contact with early Portuguese explorers and traders. Ganda! Oh my gosh! It's so nice. Look at, sobrang laki naman ito. Paano nabuhat yan dati? parang totoo yung face. Oh, love. Mga modern na to. Umbrella gun.
Umbrella gun.
Boom, boom. Yeah, there. Mission Impossible is real. This is pretty. So amazing. Wow. Wow. Grabe, ganda. Grabe guys, bigla kaming nakarating dito sa York City. So, ito daw dapat talaga yung main city ng London, ng UK. Pero naging London. Pero dapat daw ito. Sobrang historical daw nitong place na to. Meron ditong wall na may sarili silang parang village or barangay. So, pupuntahan namin yon. Tsaka yung mga magagandang historical tourist places here. Andito kami ngayon sa rowing city club nila. Pag nagpa-practice, yung mga nagro-row, may mga nakabantay na
Safety officer.
safety officer. Tignan mo. They're around. Ganito silang ka-safe dito. Kaimportante ang mga buhay. Ayan, oh.
Mukhang may nakabantay.
Diba?
Ano lang yan? Kahit practice lang yan.
Kahit practice lang. O, tignan mo. Ang dami nga, no? Bawat sulok, may mga nagbabantay na mga lifeguards. Ganyan talaga dapat kasi mga first world country, importante sa kanila ang buhay ng tao.
Safety first talaga.
Safety first, yes. No to negligence, ganun. Akalain mo umabot dito sa York City ang Big Sky ko. Iba talaga. Guys, hindi ko din pa-register to na dadaan kami kasi biglaan yung punta namin sa Leeds at sa York City. But it's working here. So thank you, Big Sky. Use my code JEXSETTER10 so you can get a 10% discount. Oh, ang ganda naman dito. Magi, pa-picture tayo kay Kuya.
Yes. Doon sa ano talaga?
Shambles. O, doon na lang. L'Occitane. Where are you going? We're going to Shambles. O, bilis. Not too far.
Dito tayo, dito lang, Bulbul.
Diyan ang Shambles. There's a shop here with all the ghost stuff. Lovers. Wow. Hi.
If you have any questions, please let me know.
Sure. So nice. But we don't believe in ghosts, so nope. Yung mga bata dito kahit naglalakad, tignan mo, nakaano sila, reflector, para hindi sila mabangga. So ganito silang ka-safety first dito. Nakakatawa, oh. So nandito kami sa Shambles. It's like Harry Potter. Sobrang ganda. Ayan, pictorial silang birds. Ang ganda. Super! Tingnan mo yung mga shop. Sobrang oldies. Para ka nasa Enchanted Kingdom, pero hindi. Totoo to. May mga shop talaga dito na nagwo-work talaga lahat ng shop. Although yan, luma siya. But nagwo-work talaga lahat ng shop. Yung mga gate nila dito, may mga year kung kailan ginawa. Okay, so let's check around. Yung iba dito meron, yung iba tinanggal na ata. Kasi, ayan. Oh my gosh! Totoo ba to?
Yes.
Wow! Guys, ito, 1318 pa etong house na to. House of Margaret. Ano to?
Parang isang Saint Margaret.
Grabe, 1586 pa tong building na to. Grabe. 1586. Let's go. Look at this beautiful building. Nandito kami, Kuya. Chester. The Yorkie. Home of the world famous, the Yorkie food. Yan yon. Yan nasa picture, love. Let's try that. Wow. So, ito yung chicharon nila dito. Hop. Hop. Sinful. Naka-Mercedes-Benz kami pero para kaming sardinas.
Thank you so much, Jacob.
Sakyan ni Lebron, eh. Nagmamuna ako siya. Nandito siya.
Mercedes. We are here at the Manor Golf Club for the Philippine Independence Day celebration of the Filipinos. And we have meet and greet with the boys also. Ayan. Ganda oh. Sobrang lamig, sobrang sarap. So mamaya maraming Pinoy dito. Yung event will start 4 p.m. Up to 7 p.m. Kakatapos lang mag-golf ng ating mga amazing boys. Nag-enjoy sila tuwan-tuwa. Si Rico first time niyang pumalo sa grass. And it's here in Leeds. Guys, ito totoong lechon.
Hindi lechon de leche, malaki to.
Malaki, super.
Pwede din, no?
And this is Jacob, our new friend from Leeds.
Hello, how are you?
And then, food is coming. Kain na naman. Sandwich.
Very nice. I've met, other than my wife, Alexa, over there. I'm very confident. We're going to go ahead and start some trophy ceremony for the golfers today. Thank you so much for coming.
Ganito ang behind the scene nila. Kami ang mga behind the scene and supportive na asawa. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, go! Seryoso!